Hey guys, check out this Freightliner we've got down here at Brownwood, Texas. This truck is going to have a 60 series Detroit in it. It is a 60 series. You can see it hadn't had the motor washed in some time. When they parked it here, everything was running, but it has since developed an electrical issue and it will not start. It's going to need batteries, but it was running when they parked it. You're going to be picking this one up right over here at Brownwood, Texas. Right off of 377, just right outside of town. It's got a pretty nice delivery bed on it. That's what they were using it for, was delivery for a nursery over here in Brownwood. Pintle hitch on the rear. Looks like it's got aluminum wheels all the way around. It does not have batteries. It's going to need batteries, and we're going to have to find out. You're going to have to find out what the electrical issue is on it. I'm not sure what it is. We put a jump on it, put one battery on it, tried to start it. It'll turn over. It turns over good, but it will not fire. It's like the pump's not getting fire. So it's got some kind of an issue on the kill switch of the fuel. Check it out online at cmauctions.com. No minimums, no reserves. We're online at cmauctions.com.